you the updates that we are picking up. As far as the CCTV footage, you may remember, viewers, that showed a SpiceJet employee slapping a CISF Jawan at the Jaipur airport. That triggered a sense of shock and outrage. The woman herself is with us right now. Ma'am, can you hear me? आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
यस मैम, मुझे आ रही है आपकी आवाज।
मैम, जरा पूरी घटना को जरा आप क्रम में हमें बता सकती है कि आखिरकार हुआ क्या था, क्योंकि ये वीडियो जब सामने आई, अब तस्वीरें कुछ और बताती है और आपके साथ आखिरकार क्या हुआ वो एकदम अलग था। तो आप अपनी जुबान से खुद हमें बताइए कि हुआ क्या था।
मैम, वहाँ पे सुबह 11 तारीख की बात है, सुबह 4:30 बजे हम रोज की तरह वहाँ पे व्हीकल गेट पे गए। सीआईएसएफ जो गिरिराज प्रसाद सर थे, वो सीधा मुझे कहते, तुम सीधे सीधे कहाँ जा रही हो, हमें भी अपने सेवा पानी का मौका दो। तो मुझे गुस्सा आया, मैंने कहा लेडीज कांस्टेबल को बुलाओ, आप मेरे से ऐसे गंदी बातें मत करो। फिर वो कहता मेरा कहाँ मानोगी, तो तुम चैन पाओगी। तो फिर मैंने कहा, मैं बिल्कुल ऐसे हो गई, ये क्या बोल रहा है। फिर कहता एक रात का क्या लोगी, मेरे पास रुको, तुम अगर मेरा, फिर मैंने कहा मैं पुलिस कंप्लेन कर दूंगी। फिर वो कहते हैं अगर तुम पुलिस मतलब मेरा तुम जैसी बाजारू औरत मेरा कुछ नहीं बिगाड़ सकती हो, मैं तुम्हें भीख मांगने पे ले आऊंगा अगर तुम मेरा कहा नहीं मानोगी तो। अब ऐसी बातें मेरे से कर रहा, तो फिर मेरा वहां उस टाइम सुनते ही बिल्कुल मैं ऐसे हो गई, बिल्कुल मैं अपना मानसिक संतुलन खो बैठी। अब ये सीआईएसएफ वाले सिर्फ रिपोर्ट में ये दिखा रहे मैंने थप्पड़ लगाया, बट उससे आगे पीछे के इंसिडेंट ये लोग क्यों नहीं दिखा रहे हैं।
तो मैम, उस वक्त जब आपने ये थप्पड़ मारा था, आपके आसपास और भी लोग खड़े हुए थे क्या? आप जो बोल रहे हैं कि आपत्तिजनक बयान और कमेंट्री अगर की गई थी इस ऑफिशियल की तरफ से, क्या उन लोगों ने भी सुना था?
उन लोगों ने सुना, जब ये सब मेरे साथ इंसिडेंट हुआ उस टाइम वहां पे कोई नहीं था, मतलब सभी स्टाफ थे, बट हम दोनों के बीच में जब मैं बहुत घबरा गई कि ये ऐसे वर्ड कैसे बोल रहा है कि तुम्हारी नौकरी निकलवा दूंगा, तुम मेरे पास एक रात के लिए रुक जाओ, तुम्हारी जैसी बाजारू औरत। फिर तुरंत महिला कांस्टेबल आ गई, ये सब आ गए, तो फिर उसके बाद अपना स्टेटमेंट बिल्कुल चेंज कर दिया। फिर उसने मेरे से बेटा बेटा करके बात करने लगा, इसलिए मैंने उसको थप्पड़ मार दिया। थप्पड़ इंसिडेंट हो गया, कमिट किया मैंने ऐसा इंसिडेंट, बस।
जी, तो क्या इस तरह के कमेंट्स उनकी तरफ से पहले भी किए गए हैं? क्या आपके साथ ही ऐसा हुआ है या और भी अन्य जो एम्प्लॉइज हैं, अगर एयरलाइन की बात की जाए तो उनके साथ भी अगर ऐसी कोई घटना घटी है पहले?
मैं पिछले 5 साल से स्पाइसजेट एयरलाइंस में ही काम कर रही हूँ। पहले मैं पिछले 5 साल से अलग अलग एयरपोर्ट में अलग अलग जगह सीआईएसएफ के कांटेक्ट में आई हूँ, काम कर रही हूँ। जयपुर एयरपोर्ट में 1 साल से ज्यादा होने को आ रहा है और रोज हमारा काम होता है और मोस्टली फीमेल स्टाफ ही वहां पे होती है इस काम के लिए। आज कोई नया नहीं था उस गेट पे जाना हमारा, ना ही मेरा ना ही और भी जितनी भी महिला कर्मचारी जाती है, जो भी, हम भी सिक्योरिटी से, वो भी सिक्योरिटी से, वो अपनी सिक्योरिटी करते हैं, हम अपनी फ्लाइट की सिक्योरिटी करते हैं। तो हमें अच्छे से पता होता है कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं, जैसे उनको उनकी सिक्योरिटी रूल्स है वैसे हमारी भी रूल है। तो वहां पे नहीं था मैम, उन्होंने मुझे बहुत गलत वर्ड बोला, बस मैं इससे ज्यादा।
तो पहले की कोई, आप कह रहे कोई जान पहचान नहीं थी एक तरीके से अगर देखा जाए, ये पहली बार आपके साथ ऐसा कुछ हुआ है?
मैम, हम लोगों का सीआईएसएफ में हमारा जो भी कांटेक्ट ज्यादा जो हम लोग मिलते हैं फीमेल स्टाफ से मिलते हैं, क्योंकि फीमेल स्टाफ हमारी फ्रिस्किंग करती है। उनका काम हमारा फ्रिस्किंग करना नहीं है, उनका काम सिंपल सा है, हम जो दे दिए आपको, उनका काम है सिक्योरिटी करना, गाड़ी चेक करना, जो भी उनका काम है बस।
तो उसके बाद क्या हुआ? क्योंकि हमने देखा कि एक्शन आपके ऊपर लिया गया, जहां पे आपने एक पब्लिक सर्वेंट के ऊपर अगर हाथ उठाए, उनकी ड्यूटी को एक तरह से रोकने की कोशिश की गई। उसके बाद की घटना के बारे में जरा बताएं, आपके साथ क्या हुआ?
मैम, मैं एक ही बात बार बार नहीं बोल सकती हूँ, मैंने जो बोल दिया यही मेरा स्टेटमेंट है, यही मेरे साथ हुआ है। मैम, अब आपको मैं कितनी बार एक ही बात बताऊं?
मैं समझ सकती हूँ मैम, क्योंकि अगर इस तरह की घटना आप बोल रही हैं कि आपके साथ आखिरकार हुई है, परेशानी तो होती है,
बस मैं
लेकिन आपका जो वर्जन है ना मैम, वो सबके सामने रखना जरूरी पड़ जाता है कि आखिरकार क्या हुआ, ये सबको बताना जरूरी पड़ जाता है कि आपके साथ जो आपकी कहानी है वो भी सभी को पता चले।
मैम, बार बार एक ही बात, वही मैंने बताया है जी। जो उन लोगों का स्टेटमेंट था, जो उन्होंने कहा, उसने एक्चुअल बात नहीं बताया जो मेरे साथ हुआ। मैंने आपको बता दिया, उसने मेरे से बहुत गंदी तरीके से बात
आगे की कार्रवाई के बारे में मैम आप कुछ बताना चाहेंगे? आपकी कंपनी आपको किस तरीके से सपोर्ट कर रही है?
बस मैं ये चाहती हूँ कि कंपनी मेरे पास हर जगह हर तरीके से सपोर्ट कर रही है। बस मैं ये चाहती हूँ कि मेरे अलावा ऐसा किसी भी लड़की के साथ ना हो, और जहाँ जहाँ CISF का कमी है, जहाँ फीमेल बूथ है तो वहाँ पे फीमेल स्टाफ का होना जरूरी है। जब एयरपोर्ट डिपार्चर हॉल में फीमेल 24 आवर्स रहती तो उस गेट में भी होना जरूरी है
जी,
ताकि आगे ऐसे किसी लड़की के साथ ना हो, फीमेल स्टाफ तुरंत आए उनको करे
जी।
फ्रिस्किंग।
तो मैं वही जानना चाहती हूँ कि
बस
आपको
मैम।
जो समर्थन है आपको किस तरीके का मिल रहा है? चलिए, आपने अपना कम से कम वर्जन हमारे साथ शेयर करा, उसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। क्योंकि आप अपने एंड से आप बोल रही हैं कि आप काफी तकलीफ के साथ आगे गई हैं इस तरीके की जो कार्रवाई है आगे बढ़ते हुए। बट हाउएवर द लेडी, एज वी वर हैविंग दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन, she was arrested and thereafter she was granted bail by the court in Jaipur. As far as when it comes to the CISF official himself, because she is a SpiceJet employee. Now even when it comes to the airline itself has come out in support of the employee of the woman employee, and she is in this video that went viral, she was seen entering the airport through the vehicle gate. When it comes to the official who stopped them, and there is itself this conversation that happened. Of course, when it comes to the woman employee, as we were listening to her side of the story, saying that very derogatory and insulting comments that were made, and she has now raised the issue on part of the Central Industrial Security Force, or the CISF, when this argument ensued. And she says that she was so disturbed with those derogatory comments that were made at her that she made that impulsive act of slapping the CISF official. Brinda Adige is with us right now. Brinda, this is the other side of the story that we are getting for our viewers. We were just interviewing when it comes to the woman employee, the video that went viral of this slapping of a CISF jawan. She goes on to say that there were very insulting, derogatory comments that were made by the official towards her, and she, it was an impulsive act that she slapped him.
I can understand, because she's a woman and that man is in uniform, he is authoritative, and she might have said, okay, let me just pass because I have a valid permit to go in, and frisking, there is no lady woman or a woman officer. So this guy would have made such comments which might have been humiliating and insulting, and I can completely understand that she might have had a very, very impulsive, rash act over there. But then the law is that she would have to be booked. But why is that CISF fellow not being questioned? Why has the fellow not been made to sit down and not continue the office or his work for that day? He seems to be going about his work. So the impunity with somebody like that, maybe this is not the first time he's done things of this nature. This may not be the first time that he might have spoken in an insulting and humiliating manner to another woman staff, probably from another airline. We don't know this. But this particular incident just goes to show that people in uniform assume that they have every right to do whatever they want. And especially if there is a woman and there may not be people around, he can do or speak however he wants. The derogatory or sexist or misogynistic statements he might have made.
I mean, Brinda, we were just speaking to her, and I just want to quote her. Of course, she seems to be disturbed to a point, saying that she has been narrating her ordeal again and again. It's very painful to go through that entire experience, because according to her, she said that she was called as a bazaru aurat. She was asked if she is free after duty hours to come and meet him, and that was the kind of inappropriate comments that she was subjected to, and unacceptable language, according to her.
Exactly. So those are the kind of statements, humiliating, insulting, derogatory, that a man like him might have got away in the past and thought he could get away again this time. Instead of probably her verbally retorting to him, she would have got angry. And the provocation, the impulsive act of slapping him has stemmed from that fellow's behavior, that fellow's language, that fellow's interactions. And my whole grouse is, there is an FIR filed on her and she was detained, judicial arrest. What has happened to him? Nothing. Was he even suspended for the day? No. So this impunity with people like that man continues. And I don't think our laws should only say that when the case is investigated, we will get back and let us know. Action will be taken. Strict action will be taken.
Well, that's part of the investigation now, Brinda, as far as the said authorities are concerned, because that is how an investigation would be conducted. But we just wanted to get your point of view as far as the woman, the employee in the case is concerned, because we just had a one-on-one conversation with her. Thank you very much, Brinda. Let me go across to Gajraj now, also a reporter joining in right now. Gajraj, what happens from here on? Because there seems to be a counter also that is coming in from the woman's side saying that she was not in the wrong, it was the official.
See, in this case, these things are going on since the beginning. First FIR was lodged from CISF side. Then this particular FIR was lodged in night around 9:25, 9:30 p.m. Then it took hours of time to lodge FIR from girls' side. So it is still a matter of investigation. But there are now two versions in this particular case. One which is caught on CCTV, which was seen by the court, and on the merit she was granted the bail. And another aspect that she has been saying that he hurled derogatory remarks towards her. So that has to be investigated, and then it all depends on the police investigation as to which direction this particular case goes. Because this Giriraj Singh, the CISF personnel, we also tried to get an input about him. So this was also kind of almost first incidents also that relates to him. But people are also saying that if there are people in uniform, they generally are a little aggressive when they talk. But this kind of statements are also coming for the first time. So this whole scenario is a new scenario. But two cross FIRs, now totally everything depends on the police investigation.
All right, please do stay on with us, Gajraj. As far as Gajraj saying that there are two versions now, as far as one coming in from the official side, one coming in from the woman staffer side, whom we just spoke to. The CISF sources, meanwhile, let's break that story for our viewers, have categorically, meanwhile, denied such allegations of sexual harassment that has been leveled against their ASI, Giriraj Prasad, by the SpiceJet woman employee. However, there would be an internal inquiry. The committee that has been constituted by sources that we believe within the CISF, they believe that prima facie the allegations made by the SpiceJet employee seems to be false and incorrect. When it comes to the CISF Jawan, Giriraj Prasad also has filed a counter complaint against the staffer in his complaint that he is also taken up. So two complaints that we are looking at. Both parties have now filed respective complaints against each other. But Gajraj, who exactly would be the one who would be investigating this entire matter?
See, till yesterday, Aditya Punia, who's handling the case, because this particular area falls in the east side of the Jaipur city. So Aditya Punia was speaking on this particular matter. But now it seems like the senior officials also have to pitch in and get in this particular case, because now it involves a man who is in uniform, who is on duty, and to which the incident happens, and we see it all in the CCTV footage. And on the other hand, it's an employee and it's an airport staff, and she is claiming to have things said to her. So now senior officials are likely to take cognizance of this particular matter, because it has now become a serious issue, because there are two sides. One that has already been produced.
Right. So it all remains as part of the investigation. Of course, the version of the woman employee that we just heard from her, saying that they were unacceptable and inappropriate comments that were made by the official, and a counter complaint on her part too that has been